guys, Nicole Boyd here from wonderfullyfashion.com, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a ring and a picot. So stay tuned and follow along. Okay, so when you're starting out with a ring, you can do it with just one shuttle, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So I'm just using the red thread this time, and you just hold the shuttle in between your right hand, forefinger and thumb, and then on the left hand, you're going to hold the thread and then wrap it around and make a loop, like so. Okay, so then just hold those two pieces of thread together and we'll start our first knot of the double stitch. So just like I showed you last week, you're gonna wrap the thread around your fingers on your right hand like this, and then you're gonna go under and over and pull it tight, and then leave the thread under your fingers and go over and under, make that loop and pull it tight. Okay? And that is your first double stitch in the ring. So I'm going to just show you how to make a ring with a few picots in it, and I will show you how to do those picots here in just a second. So just make 2 more double stitches. There's 2 and 3. Okay. So then we are going to make a picot now, and picots are used to join your work together. So I'll show you how to do that here in this lesson. So you're still going to do a double stitch, just like we always do, but you are going to leave a loop like that, and that's going to be the first part of your picot. And then you're going to leave the thread under your fingers and do the second part of the double stitch, bring it tight, and you will have a little loop, and that is called a picot. Okay, so we're just going to do that 3 more times, 3 double stitches, picot, 3 double stitches, picot, 3 double stitches, and we're going to close the ring. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, and we'll make another picot. So we'll show that in slow motion. There's the first part, and just hold it in between your forefinger and thumb so that the loop doesn't slip through. And that'll help you when you're closing that picot. Okay, so now we've got 2 picots. We're gonna make 1 more. So there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make our last picot. Okay, hold it tight and go. All right, so we'll just do 3 more double stitches and then we'll close the ring. 2 and 3. Okay, so it kind of looks like a chain, but when you're done, hold the double stitches like so, and you're going to pull the thread that is connected to your shuttle. So just pull it tight, and that will give you your ring. Okay? You can kind of pull it tighter if need be. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you could subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment with any questions that you have, I would be happy to help you out. Next week, I'm going to be showing you how to join your rings together. That way you can make any design you want. So I'll see you next week. Bye.
Aww. So, Bubba has been talking the whole time I've been trying to do my video. He just started standing up in his crib, so it's all over now.
Okay. Bubba's, this is my video. Hi, so want to listen to a video real quick? Real quick? Okay.
Bubba, you see Mama? Mama. Mama, are you leaving? Oh, don't fall down.